Hi, my name is Arasmo. I'm the welder of Cavitar ArcLess Academy. Yesterday I visited at Cavitar office at Tampere, Finland, and they gave me a gift. Some kind of smart glasses, I don't know. I just plugged wire to my computer and I can see the screen from here. Nothing really special, but I will use those for welding. All I can see is the footage from welding camera. I have blocked my view from welding helmet, so all I can see is that view from welding camera. So well, it's difficult to show, but yeah, let's try it. I have welded for 10 years and sometimes I have thought, how does this feel if this was possible someday, and now it is. So I have waited for that moment. Alright, let's record it so you can see the actual feed. And yeah, let's go. Okay, there's not any delay, so everything I do is like real time. Let's try it. Let's ignite the arc. Wow! Oh, what happened? This is like a game, but this is real. I can see the smallest detail, every spark. I can see everything in real time. I can see even the edge of the vertical plate, how it's melting. Oh, you saw that? Oh yeah. That's nice. Ooh. Let's keep testing, but this will change welding.